Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about some channel updates and Jeep updates too. And also I have an unboxing, so let's get started with the unboxing. And also I'm recording this on my iPhone, so I just want to see how good the quality is. So Suparee sent me something for a Jeep JK, so let me show you what that is. If you guys ever need a really good knife, get a Milwaukee Fastback. These things are awesome. They just open and close really good, so I really recommend them. All right, so here we have the template for the holes. Now let me show you what's in here. Oh, it comes with the drill bit too. Awesome. So here, I don't know if you guys can tell what this is, but it is like a little table for a Jeep JK. You put it on the tailgate. So these things open up and there you go, you got a nice little table. So we are going to be installing this on a JK, but I just wanted to show you guys what's in the box, and it comes with the instructions, which is always good to have. Oh, I just ripped the template. I just ripped the template, but it comes with the template for the holes. It comes with the drill bit, which is really cool for them to send. So the way that these attach here, it does have rivet nuts, so you need one of those guns so you can actually put those in. I might actually switch these out for some like rubber ones, kind of the same thing, it's just they're rubber, just in case so they don't start vibrating or something like that. But overall, this table is actually decent. Actually, yeah, it's not even really bending much, so it feels pretty decent quality. Has some like metal rope on the sides here, so I'm pretty sure it's strong. And on the side it latches up. So let's close it up so I can show you the latch. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this on the Jeep JK, the one you guys have seen before on my channel, so that'll be pretty sick. Now let's move on to the next thing. Something to keep in mind too, it does have these rubber tabs on spacers, that way it doesn't vibrate once it's installed. So yeah, if something like this interests you, I will have it linked down below in the description, but keep an eye out for the install video. All right, next video I have, I'm doing the ball joints. I already did one side, but I need to get the other side done. Now for the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is I need some help with the Jeep. Okay, so right now I'm about a 3-inch lift with about 30-inch tires, 31-inch tires. So I want to go bigger. Now this is where I need your guys' help. I am buying the lift kit. I have some money saved up. So I am thinking we're going 6.5-inch lift and 35-inch tires. So I know with the 6.5-inch lift, I will have to upgrade the rear drive shaft, the steering in the front, and I probably won't be able to do that right away. I don't have that much money, but I will be able to get the long arms, the springs, the rear adjustable control arms. I'm not gonna do long arms just yet, just because I don't have the funds. I'd rather focus on like the drive shaft and steering meanwhile, and then later on get the rear long arms. But that's one option. The second option is to do, again, front long arms, adjustable rear control arms, and 4.5-inch rusty springs with 33-inch tires. So I want you guys to comment down below what you think I should get for the Jeep. I want you guys to enjoy the content that I will be making with the Jeep, so let me know what you guys want to see. I'm definitely going long arms though, that's for sure. So yeah, if you guys can, please comment down below what you want to see on the channel for the future of this Jeep. I'm thinking 6.5-inch with 35, but it's up to you guys. So comment down below, and if you guys want to see the 4.5 instead, I'll do that. But right now, I'm going for 6.5. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.